Tired of making the same meals over and over? Whether you're looking for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or dessert, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Number 1. Greek Yogurt Berry Parfait. Start with a thick layer of Greek yogurt, then add fresh strawberries, blueberries, crunchy granola, and a drizzle of honey. Repeat the layers and finish with fresh mint. It's creamy, crunchy, naturally sweet, and perfect for breakfast or a healthy dessert. Number 2. Crispy Parmesan Zucchini Fries. Slice zucchini into fry-shaped sticks and coat them with Parmesan cheese, panko breadcrumbs, garlic powder, paprika, and Italian herbs. Bake or air fry until they're beautifully golden and crispy. Serve with garlic aioli or spicy yogurt tip for an irresistible snack. Number 3. Homemade Chicken Wraps. Spread creamy garlic sauce over a warm tortilla, then layer grilled chicken, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and shredded cheese. Roll it tightly, toast until lightly golden, and slice in half for a colorful, satisfying meal. Number 4. One-pan garlic butter salmon. Season salmon with garlic, butter, lemon zest, black pepper, and fresh herbs. Bake until perfectly flaky, then serve with roasted asparagus, cherry tomatoes, or buttery mashed potatoes. Simple, elegant, and restaurant-worthy. Number 5. Chocolate Lava Mug Cake. Mix cocoa powder, flour, sugar, milk, and melted butter. Place a square of dark chocolate in the center before microwaving. In less than 2 minutes, you'll have a warm cake with a rich, molten chocolate center. Perfect for late-night dessert cravings. Number 6. Whipped feta with hot honey. Blend feta cheese with Greek yogurt, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon until incredibly smooth. Top with hot honey, crushed pistachios, fresh herbs, and chili flakes. Serve with toasted bread, crackers, or fresh vegetables for a stunning appetizer that's creamy, sweet, spicy, and unforgettable. Number 7. Crispy Rice Sushi Bites. Press cooked sushi rice into a tray and chill until firm. Cut into bite-sized squares and pan fry until crispy on both sides. Top with spicy salmon, avocado, cucumber, or shrimp. Then finish with sesame seeds and a drizzle of spicy mayo. Every bite is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Number 8. Baked Camembert cheese with honey and walnuts. Place a whole wheel of Camembert cheese in a baking dish. Score the top, drizzle with honey, sprinkle chopped walnuts and fresh rosemary, then bake until the cheese becomes irresistibly gooey. Serve with toasted bread, apple slices, or crackers for a beautiful sharing dish. Number 9. Homemade Energy Bites. Mix rolled oats, peanut butter, honey, chia seeds, flax seeds, chopped almonds, and dark chocolate chips. Roll into bite-sized balls and chill until firm. They're naturally sweet, packed with protein, and perfect for an afternoon energy boost. Number 10. No-Bake Strawberry Cheesecake Cups. Blend cream cheese, whipped cream, vanilla, and a touch of sugar until silky smooth. Layer with crushed buttery biscuits, fresh strawberries, and cheesecake filling in clear glasses. Finish with strawberry sauce and fresh mint for a dessert that looks as beautiful as it tastes. Which recipe would you make first? Tell me your favorite in the comments below. If you'd like more unique recipes that are easy, beautiful, and absolutely delicious, don't forget to like and subscribe.